It was a sale.
It's my birthday, bitch. My in the back gang, I never switch.
Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. If you watched my ponytail tutorial, you'll see that I filmed this on the same day. But basically, I'm gonna do a unboxing haul for you guys. I ordered from, what is it? Juvia's Place. I used to say Palace. I feel like I said that in one of my videos. I ordered a bunch of stuff from there. Not really like a bunch of stuff. Like I ordered like a lot of palettes and stuff like that, especially because my friends' birthdays were coming up. So I can give them palettes, whatever I don't want to keep. But they were having like an end of summer sale, so I just ordered some things. So I just wanted to show you guys. So I did 2 separate orders. So I'm gonna open the smallest one first. So got my scissors. I don't honestly even remember what I ordered in this one. Alright, it's just like some paper. Okay, so I ordered 2 of their concealers, and I'll open them for you. So I ordered like a darker shade to use to contour, because personally me, I like to contour with concealers. Like I have dry skin, so I don't really like to contour with powders that much. So I like to contour with concealers. And then I got a lighter shade to highlight with. I'm pretty sure, I feel like I have this shade. I like to highlight really, like if you probably watch like my makeup tutorials, you'll see like I highlight with a really light shade. Like I don't go one shade lighter than my foundation. I go like lighter because I just like how it looks and it all blends out personally. So it's just like, why not? All right, then I got a foundation. I have a foundation from there already. So I literally, like my skin tone is like hard to match. So basically I get like the same brand of foundation, and then I like mix them together to make my like skin tone, because I feel as though like I haven't found one. Well, no, I actually have like 2 foundations that exactly match. But yeah, then what is this? Oh, I wanted to get their setting powder, because like I want to do a video doing like doing my face with like all one makeup brand, and I definitely wanted to do like Juvias and like Elf or something like that. So it's kind of like a little like it's like drugstore like for Elf, and this is like a little bit more like high end, and then like a really high end one I wanted to do. So that's gonna be coming up soon, like a everyday makeup look using drugstore makeup, and then like a little bit more expensive, but Juvia is not that expensive, but it's definitely nice. Now I'm gonna get on to the big box of the palette. Y'all, my hoops are like too big for me. I'm literally gonna take them out after this video. Alright, so literally I got the chocolate by Juvia, the berries by Juvia, the mauves by Juvia, and I really don't want to open them right now, so I'll just insert pictures of them. The violets by Juvia, they're so pretty. The tops by Juvia, tops. The nudes by Juvia, the sweet pinks by Juvia. Literally, like it was like a puzzle. Like for all these palettes, you can get it for like a certain price. The Nubian by Juvia, those were like mini, these are bigger. The Masquerade mini by Juvia, the Zulu by Juvia, the Saharan by Juvia, the Magic mini by Juvia, and the Nubian 2 by Juvia. So I got all these palettes for like $100, so it was like definitely worth it. Definitely like worth it. I mean, to me it's like I didn't get that much stuff, but like I bought, like I spent under $200 for all that stuff, and it's like literally it was definitely worth it. Because I love buying makeup. I have a lot of makeup. I was thinking about one day doing a makeup collection, but if you guys see my makeup, you're gonna be like, I don't even use half this stuff. Half this stuff is not even my shade, but literally I get so many different shades because my friends would come to my house and like do their makeup here and stuff. So like I would obviously have other people's shades, so then like they don't have to bring their makeup. But, like Maya, she'll come to my house and like she doesn't have to ever pack her makeup. Like she still does, but she doesn't have to because I have like other people's shades. Like, so yeah, personally I'm gonna give like probably 3 or 4 of these away to my friends because I have 2 of these. I might give one to my sister actually. I don't know, because I'm not gonna use all these, but still, let me take a picture of all these. So basically that's it for this video. Like it was a short video, but I just decided like, oh, I should show you guys what I got, since I did like get some palettes and stuff like that, and you guys are definitely going to be seeing me do some videos using the products. So give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Yeah, and I can't wink. That's disgusting, but yeah, bye guys. I thank you for watching, and I thank you for watching to the end, and that's on period. If you watch to the end, comment eyelashes, and if you don't comment eyelashes, I know you didn't watch to the end, and we're gonna have a problem. Okay, bye guys.